Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this video. So I really just wanted to show you the screens and the coverage for this Mclaren Diagnostic Tool against the Mclaren 675 LT Coupe and Spyder. So I really just wanted to show you the systems that it'll cover. Okay, so we're going to go into 675 LT. And let's say you've got between 2015 and 2018. We'll go say 2018 just as an example. We'll click OK here. And then we go to control unit, and these are the systems that it will cover. So you can see all of the main systems like the engines, the airbags, ABS, transmission, electronic park and brake, cluster, security gateways, steering angle sensor, and then we've got a couple more on the other screen as well for the seat modules. But if you had like a warning light, check engine, airbags, something like that, then this tool will allow you to diagnose and reset that, and it'll do it in the Coupe and the Spyder. Okay, so for the service functions, it will do the oil service reset and open and close the rear calipers for brake changes for the electronic park and brake. Okay, so if we just come out of that, we're going to come out of the current model. That was the Coupe model. So if we just go into it's just going to be the same, but if we go to the 675 LT, let's say 2018 model, just okay to that, and you're generally going to get the same thing. So obviously you've got engines, airbags, ABS, transmission again, all of your seat modules, things like that. But in this case, you've also got the convertible roof system as well, okay? And again, you're going to get access to the electronic park and brake and oil service resets, if that makes sense. So it's just really to show you what it'll do for the 675 LT Coupe and Spyder. I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video, but you can pick it up at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. And if you've got any questions, we'll pop the email address in that description as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.